Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can mask objects using the new CapCut PC feature. So select your video here and you're going to select mask, add mask, and you can either use the brush or the pen. I like using the pen because it's more accurate. You're just going to go over it. I'm just going to do it like this. It's not going to be super neat. I'm just going to go over the objects like this. It unfortunately stays in one place. Then you can either feather it out like that, and you can even expand it if you'd like to, or make it a little bit smaller like that. You can also track the mask. I'm just gonna feather it a little bit more, and you can track it. It doesn't change the shape, but it follows the object, I guess. But yeah, that is pretty much how you can mask objects using the pen tool on CapCut PC. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!